You were you completely swam there. No. If you just push off right here. Do you want Theo to hold your tummy?
Move out of the way, please.
You just did. You went further. You take a breath. Just like that. Just like that. Did you see it? You go down there. See how he's doing it? Just like, oh my goodness.
Good job, Cameron. I got that on film, too. You can watch it later if you want to.
All by yourself swimming.
Of course. I want you to keep enjoying yourself. Whatever you're going to do to make yourself happy.
Wow.
Good job, baby.
You do it and see a lot. There you go. Just like that. Without the booty board. Help him a little bit that time.
Good job. Good job, Cameron.
Oh my goodness. That is incredible.
This is so great.
Okay, put it up. Be like an arrow.
Good manners, Cameron. That was nice asking.
You know what? If you put your hand out like an arrow, like a... Okay. Tobias. Okay. Tobias.
Please.
Okay. If you're straight as an arrow and use your legs really strong, like an arrow. Push. Do the shorter distance. Like this. Like this. You've shown Tobias how you go straight like an arrow.
Yeah, I can do it.
Okay, lift him up.
He did it. He did it. He did it. He got himself. Good job, Cameron. You actually did that yourself. You came up on your own and everything. That was awesome.
Oh my
You're
God.
doing really well, honey. I'm very proud of you.
Okay, I'm going to do it again for you.
Okay. Be nice, Cameron.
Exactly.
Nice job, Cameron. That was great swimming, honey.
Wow.
Do you want me to do it again?
I would love to see you do it again.
Okay, oh yeah,
He's swimming. He's swimming. You're swimming, Cameron.